Model, 2009 Volkswagen Transporter Sport T32 2.0Tdi 140 runner Cambelt snapped crew cab minibus ideal camper. Body, orange, minibus. Mileage, 208,782. MOT, the 13th of March 2026. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0Tdi 140 PSC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner, timing belt has snapped. Straightforward repair if you know what you're doing. Very nice. Transporter will make a brilliant camper conversion, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. You can tell this has been well looked after. Interior is extremely clean and tidy, almost feels brand new. Features, 2